Top 20 Tourist Places in Munnar. Second among the top 500 places to visit in India series. 1. Eravikulam National Park. This is Munnar's crown jewel, famous for the endangered Nilgiri Tahr and the rare Neelakurinji flowers that bloom once every 12 years. Spread across rolling hills, the park also offers a clear view of Anamudi Peak, South India's highest mountain. Wildlife lovers and trekkers find it equally exciting. Highlight: Nilgiri Tahr sightings, trekking trails, Anamudi views. Best time: September to February. 2. Mattupetty Dam. A beautiful dam area surrounded by tea gardens and forests, Mattupetty is perfect for boating and photography. The lake formed by the dam reflects the surrounding mountains, making it a picture-perfect spot. The Indo-Swiss Dairy Farm nearby is another attraction. Highlight: boating, nature walks, dairy farm. Best time: October to March. 3. Tea plantations and tea museum. Munnar is best known for its endless tea estates. The Tea Museum by Tata offers visitors a glimpse into the history of tea cultivation and processing. Walking through the plantations, breathing fresh air, and tasting freshly brewed tea is a quintessential Munnar experience. Highlight: tea tasting, plantation walks, colonial history. Best time: year-round, best September to May. 4. Anamudi Peak. Towering at 2,695 meters, Anamudi is the highest peak in South India. It lies within Eravikulam National Park and attracts trekkers and photographers. The peak is home to unique flora and fauna, adding to its natural charm. Highlight: trekking and panoramic views. Best time: November to February. 5. Kundala Lake. Located 20 kilometers from Munnar, Kundala Lake is peaceful and scenic, surrounded by green hills and cherry blossoms in season. Visitors can enjoy pedal boating or a shakara ride here. The nearby Kundala Dam adds to its beauty. Highlight: shakara rides, boating, cherry blossoms. Best time: April to June. 6. Echo Point. This spot is famous for its natural echo phenomenon. Shout and hear your voice bounce back. Surrounded by misty hills and forests, it's also a good place for trekking and birdwatching. Highlight: echo experience and misty surroundings. Best time: September to February. 7. Top Station. At 1,700 meters, Top Station offers one of the best viewpoints in Munnar. From here, you can see the Theni Valley and layers of mountains. It is also among the prime locations to view the blooming Neelakurinji. Highlight: panoramic valley views, rare flowers. Best time: September to March, early mornings are best. 8. Hamidu Viewpoint. A short drive from Munnar town, Hamidu is known for its sweeping views of tea, coffee, and cardamom plantations. The viewpoint is also a favorite for sunrise and sunset photography. Highlight: sunrise, sunset, plantation views. Best time: September to February. 9. Eravikulam Waterfalls. Set amidst rolling hills and jungles, Eravikulam is a scenic waterfall ideal for trekking and picnics. During monsoon, the water flow is at its peak, making it breathtaking. Highlight: trekking, waterfalls, picnic spot. Best time: June to September, for full flow, October to February, safer for trekking. 10. Marayer Sandalwood Forests. Located about 40 kilometers from Munnar, Marayer is unique for its naturally grown sandalwood trees. The place also has prehistoric dolmens and cave paintings, making it a mix of natural beauty and heritage. Highlight: sandalwood trees, ancient dolmens. Best time: October to March. 11. Chinnar Wildlife Sanctuary. Close to Marayer, this sanctuary is rich in wildlife including elephants, leopards, and the rare grizzled giant squirrel. Trekking inside the reserve is adventurous and rewarding. Highlight: wildlife safari, trekking. Best time: December to April. 12. Lockhart Gap. A natural viewpoint that offers spectacular views of mist-covered mountains and valleys. The gap in the mountains gives a bird's eye view, making it a great spot for photography. Highlight, misty landscapes, cloud views. Best time, September to March. 13. Rose Garden. A colorful garden spread over several acres, showcasing hundreds of varieties of roses along with spices and medicinal plants. A must-visit for nature and flower lovers. Highlight, exotic flowers and garden walks. Best time, November to April. 14. Eravikulam. A quiet hill station near Munnar, Eravikulam is famous for its cool climate, green slopes, and Sita Devi Lake, believed to have mythological significance. It's perfect for a peaceful getaway. Highlight, trout fishing, calm environment. Best time, November to March. 15. Mattupetty. The second highest peak in the western Ghats, Mattupetty is a trekker's paradise. The trek passes through grasslands, streams, and forests, offering unmatched mountain views. Highlight, trekking, high-altitude adventure. Best time, November to February. 16. Chitharapuram. A small village with colonial-era cottages and tea estates, offering a glimpse of old Munnar charm. It is less crowded, making it a good spot for relaxation. Highlight, colonial houses and serene tea gardens. Best time, September to May. 17. Thuvanam Waterfalls. Located inside Chinnar Sanctuary, this waterfall is reached after a short trek. The cascade is powerful and surrounded by untouched greenery. Highlight, trekking, natural waterfall. Best time, June to September for strong flow. 18. Neelakurinji Waterfalls. Between Munnar and Rajamala, this waterfall tumbles down from a great height. It's an excellent picnic spot and also attracts trekkers. Highlight, waterfall and picnic area. Best time, September to February. 19. Neelakurinji Tea Estate. At nearly 8,000 feet, Neelakurinji is the world's highest tea plantation. Jeep rides to the estate are thrilling, and the sunrise here is unforgettable. Visitors can taste fresh organic tea. Highlight, highest tea estate, sunrise views. Best time, November to March. 20. Blossom Heidel Park. A family-friendly park near Munnar with gardens, cycling tracks, and boating. It's a good place for kids and adults to relax after sightseeing. Highlight, boating, adventure trails, flower beds. Best time, October to April. Overall best time to visit Munnar. September to March, ideal for sightseeing and treks. April to May, summer escape with pleasant weather. June to August, monsoon magic with lush greenery, but heavy rains. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more travel updates.